The Gaelic verb is can be heard in many common constructions like istalum, isuringo, and of course, she, ise. The past or conditional form of is bu. Butalum, I would like, or buringo, I could. But is also heard in comparative and superlative phrases. It's the s of nas in nashar, better, or nastora, more difficult. And it's heard in the as of ashar, best, astora, hardest. In past or conditional sentences, you'll hear the comparative nas change to nabu, or simply nab. Fige na biar, it would be better, na biar, rather than nashar. Or vai nabudora, it was harder, more difficult. Nabudora, rather than nastora. And the superlative as changes to abu. The longest road is an rath asacha, but gavshin an rath ibacha. We took the longest road.